Welcome to another Switchboard tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to measure the effectiveness of your ads, whether they are printed or online. The biggest challenge that advertisers face is simply knowing if their ads are actually generating any business. Most ads only include a phone number or website in the call to action. So trying to measure those visits on your website or new calls coming in is simply guesswork. When you put an offer in front of your target market and ask them to take action, it needs to be both quick and easy. Replace "Call us today" with "Get started now." Text the word "estimate" to 800-555-4321 to book your free home estimate. When someone sees your ad and sends the text message, Switchboard automatically replies with a welcome message and a link to your appointment calendar. But if you don't have an online appointment system, Switchboard can automatically dial both you and the lead and have you talking on the phone within seconds. As more and more people text your keyword, you can precisely measure the effectiveness of your ad. Moreover, you're building a list of hot leads, and you have a direct and instant method of communicating with them. Leverage the most accessible communications channel and grow your business. Switchboard starts at just $97 per month. Text the word "Switchboard" to 888-891-2292. Or scan this QR code now to learn more and get started.